Megatrend Car of the Year, Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. Ford consultant Jackie Stewart tells you why.
It's a rare combination of sophisticated engineering. A new intercooled turbo for extra power. Computer-controlled suspension for ride and handling. Anti-lock braking gives you surer stops. No other car in the world has all that standard. Thunderbird Turbo Coupe, Motor Trend Car of the Year.
Now with Ford's 6-year, 60,000-mile new car powertrain warranty.
Driving the car is a freaking treat. 5-speed is super smooth, clutch pedals super light. And the boom tubes, man, you just can't get away from them. The suspension, super soft. So what's absolutely crazy about this car is you're looking at it and you're like, man, that's, you know, just a 4-valve, not a big deal. No. Look where the throttle body's at. This motor is from a Lincoln Mark 8. But the thing about this motor is it never actually made it into a Lincoln Mark 8. This was a brand new motor that sat in a warehouse somewhere from the early 90s all the way till 2015 when the car was built. That is freaking cool. Not only that, but it's on Holley EFI, tuned fantastic, and runs exceptionally well. Now look, this car's not made to go fast. Makes great power, but this is a cruiser. Sounds great. This is something to just have fun with. The interior is super cool on this car. We'll start right here on the door panels. You guys that know these older Thunderbirds, you can't buy these parts. So these are essentially one of one. And if you can't find one, you're just stuck with what you got, which in most cases are beat up. These are actually mint. But we got to look at this freaking dash. So you've got complete custom gauge cluster right here. So you've got your speedometer, oil, water, RPM, then you got your fuel. So your center stack is pretty much left alone. Got the original radio and graphic equalizer, but then you've got your custom switches and of course your remote start. Got your air ride control still there. Manual conversion, pro car seats, power windows and locks still work, and got a little roll cage back there with a custom rear seat delete. Pretty sweet. Man, that exhaust is crazy. Now you can easily put a turbo on this thing. I mean, it's a 4-valve. It's gonna make great power with boost. But I don't know. I feel like that almost ruined it. This is something to me that you just go cruising, have fun. You're gonna have the only one regardless of what parking lot or show you're at. Just enjoy it. You don't always have to go fast. Sometimes it's okay just to enjoy it. So one of the first things I noticed when I checked this out is this has got NASCAR boom tube exhaust on it, which is absolutely wild and gives the 4.6 a really cool sound. Another thing about these Thunderbirds, and you guys that have them know, these header panels for the turbo coupe, the lights, all of that stuff, Nobody makes anything for these cars, so be very, very careful. And when you find them in this kind of shape, you're pretty much going to have to pay whatever they're willing to sell them for. More details on the car. He's got Willwood brakes front and rear, and the brake pedal feels mint. Gives it really good stopping power over the factory. Coming around to the back, the car is slick as a button. The tail lights are mint. Moldings are great. One interesting thing is they did leave the body side molding off the side of the car, which honestly, I don't really miss it. You're not going to be able to do it here because it's molded into the bumpers, but down the body side, I don't mind it a bit. The rear suspension is mini tubbed, and it does have a full fab 9-inch rear end underneath it, coilovers, all the goodies, and the work is absolutely flawless. Overall, a super, super clean look. This car was rotisserie restored, and you can really tell. I wish we could get it on a rack and really get underneath to see how epic it is. But trust me, from the pictures, it's freaking epic. You can really tell whoever did the chassis work, they knew what they were doing. The ride is amazing. And we got 12 wides on the back, which typically doesn't give you the best ride. So of course you got the great lines of the Thunderbird. The paint is absolutely mint. It was resprayed somewhere around 2015, and you can tell they did a great job on it. Got your billet specialty wheels, mini tubs. This car really and truly drives like a stock car. Brakes are great, the clutch is super slick, steering is great. This is a really nice car to drive. Alright, so I did have to give a big fist bump to Darren. Ran into you at Cars and Coffee last week and saw the car. I knew I was filming this car. That's all there was to it.
I saw you come up and I was like, I think he's gonna like it.
Yeah, I love it. And you know, the guys that have watched the channel for a long time, they know my first Fox body, because I couldn't afford a Mustang, was a Thunderbird. 87 actually. What year is this?
88.
88. So yeah, the last of the Fox body Thunderbird.
Yep.
All right, so we're not going to end it yet because you actually have a little something else you're working on that I'm going to have to come back and film. But all my OG purist Fox body guys, you already know what this is. Now, what year is this one?
81.
81.
Granada.
81 Granada. This is cool. And you said it was in the woods, or?
It was out in the field for like 10 years. I mean,
it's got the patina.
Yeah, I mean, it's not rotted out nowhere. It just sat out in the field and burned up in the sun, and I got hold of it. And it's been about, I don't know, 8 or 9 years of playing with it.
Yeah.
Different variations of motors and everything. Now it's got the big block in it. And
which we got to show that in a second. But the wheels, those are 82 GT wheels? Yeah.
Yeah, I got them off.
Yeah, those are, they're mint.
They're not perfect, but it kind of goes with the car.
Yeah.
You know? It's not, you don't have one piece of jewelry and against a, something rough, but
yeah, it works out. It's so funny when then they put those on the hubcap versions on Econoline vans, and they were forever dubbed the Econoline wheels.
Yeah,
which,
I don't know. When I think it was 80. Was it 82 those came out? They were
yeah.
on the Mustang.
Yeah.
I don't know why I like them. I just think
they're classic, you know, and that sets in really nice shape. Yeah. I mean, the interior. So this is a bucket seat car.
Yep.
Which is awesome.
Got some wiring to finish up, but
yeah, she's still a project.
Yeah, I mean, it's like the dash cover I got from LMR. It's just a cover to go over it. The
yeah.
dash is cracked.
Yeah, they crack bad.
So
but you got the gauges. But you do have a little sauce under the hood. I guess we should show them, huh? So yeah, so what engine was in this originally?
It was a 2.3 4-cylinder.
2, 3, 4 cylinder NA, and now You said it's a 466,
Yep.
which is a 460, 30 over.
Yep.
We got, what, Performer RPM heads.
Yep.
Has it got a big get her done cam in it?
It's got a decent cam.
Decent,
It's not real
yeah.
big. I mean, it could go a lot bigger. I just wanted to, you know, keep it not so radical.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
But the cam's, it's healthy. Should be making around 550 horse.
Heck
Got
yeah.
a 750 double pumper.
Big tube headers on
Yep,
it. Those
2-inch headers.
2-inch
long
head. Good
tubes.
God.
You know, full exhaust I got on it now.
Heck yeah.
But yeah, I haven't really driven it much.
Yeah.
Just
Still working on it.
working on it.
Yeah.
Little bugs, you know how
Getting
it is.
the power steering figured out.
Yeah,
and-
and yeah, little things. But there's a lot of little things when you're building something.
Oh yeah.
Seems like it never ends, but
But this is neat, and we will be back once you get this thing squared away. We'll be back because this thing is super cool. All right, Dan. Huge thanks again
thank
for
you.
having me.
Thanks for coming, man. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. And I'm coming back because we got to do the Granada. That's gonna be. Who doesn't love a big block Granada and
Who wouldn't? Yeah,
a Thunderbird with a Mark 8 motor and NASCAR exhaust? You know, like
yeah.
you got it all out here. So, huge thanks to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.